Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope you people are doing well and enjoying good health. In this video, we will learn about the editor toolbar. Okay, what is the use of the editor toolbar and how we can use, how we have, in which circumstances we have to start the editor, and in which consequences we have to end the editor task. Okay, in this video I will briefly tell you about the function, the basics of the editor toolbar. Okay, first of all, here I have checked in the editor toolbar. I will tell you how we can check in the editor toolbar or check out. Okay, just double tap on here and click on the editor, and your editor toolbar will be appeared like here. And just remember two to three things, basic things about the editor bar. You have to start the editing when you are making a new shapefile. Okay, when you are entering any data into any shapefile, you have to start the editing, and this was the first step. Secondly, you have to stop the editing when you are adding any field in attribute table. Okay, and when you are adding any data, any area, any value in the fields of attribute table, you should have to start the editor toolbar. Okay, this is the main function of the editor toolbar. Just let me check. You can start here from start editing, this in which you select which map you want to edit. I want to edit this. Okay, no, it's many features of the editor toolbar are being appeared to use. This is the edit tool. Okay, this edit tool select and edit features in an edit session. This is the edit vertices. You can directly edit the vertices, the corners of any shape of which you have known the geometry. This is a reshape feature tool. This tool is the reshape feature tool. Reshape a line or polyline or polygon by constructing a sketch over a selected figure. Okay, and this is cut polygon tools. This tool cut a polygon into two polygons. Okay, if we have a polygon, and this by using this tool we can cut that specific polygon into two polygons. Okay, this is the rotate tool. For example, I want to rotate, select an editable feature. Okay, I haven't select anything, that's why now this was selected. Okay, this was the select tool, edit tool. Now this shapefile will be edited. Okay, this is the cut tool. Now I want to pair this tool on this shape, and I just have to put in the vertices and the boundary to which I want to cut. Now this you can see that this shapefile is being cut up into two pieces, one and one. Okay, and this is to cut the polygon. Okay, this is to rotate. Your geology will be rotated by using this software. You can check that geology is being rotated. Okay, you can rotate the specific geology, select and rotate by using this rotation tool. And this is the attribute table. You can check the attribute of this select geology. Okay, and this is the district Gilgit and the north areas may have, or this is from the north areas and northern areas in Pakistan. Okay, this is the sketch properties. Open, this is the sketch properties. Okay, you can just sketch the different properties of edit sketch properties. We can edit XY coordinates of any area. Okay, this is to create features, just like it's click on that, and I want to edit this, just polygon or rectangle or circle. You can select here from here. This is the basics about this editor toolbar. You can use anywhere. This editor toolbar is very important for editing any data in the attribute tables, in the fields of attribute tables. And when we are entering any data, when we are entering any field in an attribute table, we shouldn't have to start the editor. Okay, I hope you understand, and thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for your time.